What's up, my Credit Wealth Capital crew? This is Renata with Credit Wealth Capital. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you won't miss out on any information that we put out on every single Wednesday. Now, today we're talking about the top 7 ways to help rebuild your credit. But wait, you know I have some bonus information for you at the end. So, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, you guys, so today we're going to talk about the top seven ways that you can actually rebuild your personal credit. Now, we know that we do some crazy things about rebuilding credit, about mistakes, about messing up our credit. However, we've learned from them, and now we actually have to go ahead and recover from those mistakes, okay? And also, I don't like using the word mistakes. I like to say as lessons learned, okay? We took the lessons and now we learn from those lessons, and now we know not to do them anymore, okay? So the first thing that you should do is review your credit report. Now, everybody do you know the reason why you should review your credit report? Let me tell you. Now, your credit score is affected by a number of factors. So knowing what's on your credit report can help you figure out exactly where you're at, okay? And then your credit score can give you a general sense of your credit worthiness, because you want to know how much you can actually get. And that's basically your credit score will tell you how much money you can get, as well as your credit report, okay? Now, even though you can have a high credit score, if you don't have the key factors in your credit report, you will not get the amount of funding. You will get funding, but the amount of funding you will not get, because of you don't have the key factors in your credit report, okay? Now, but your credit report can offer you a lot of details. A good first step is requesting a free annual credit report from each of the 3 major bureaus, which is Equifax, Experian, as well as TransUnion, okay? Now, if there are errors on your report, they could be negative, and that could affect your credit score tremendously. But you have the right to dispute those negative items and incorrect items on your credit report, okay? Now, the second thing is pay your bills on time. Paying your bills on time can be easy said than done. However, if you pay your bills on time, your payment history is one of the main things that drive your credit score up, okay? And negative information on your payment history, like a missed payment on your credit card or your mortgage or any bill that you have, can affect your credit score tremendously, okay? So missing payments can have other consequences, as well as late fees, okay? So go ahead and put it on automatic payment that will remind you to help you keep up with your bills, and make at least the minimum payment on your credit cards, okay? And pay the full payment on anything else that's due, like your mortgage, or your lights and water bill, okay? Now, number 3, catching up on your overdue bills. If you have any overdue bills that were paid on time or past due, you need to get caught up, please pay them. Talk to the banks and see what you can actually do to get caught up on some credit cards. You could also consider contacting lenders. If you struggle on keeping up with your bills, they might be able to help you with a plan of some sort. Because I know Navy Federal, as well as ViStar here in the South, they do have some type of plan that you can actually get, which is called a consolidation loan, that you can actually get to help you pay your cards off, and you have one monthly payment. So a consolidation loan is a good thing. I'll talk about the best consolidation loans in another video, okay? Now, number 4, becoming an authorized user. If you have somebody that you can actually trust that has a great credit card that has no errors on it, that has no discrepancies. If you like a loved one or somebody that you can trust with good credit and they added you as an authorized user to their account, that doesn't mean that you get a card. You just get the history. Excuse me. You just get, this just allows you to make the history of the card on your account, okay? So you don't get a card, you just get the history of the card, okay? Now, also, number 5, you can consider a secure credit card. A secure credit card, as you know, is a good choice to have as you're working your way to a better credit score. A secure credit card can help you in so many ways. You can make purchases with it just like a traditional credit card, but it considered a secure because it requires you to put down a security deposit to open up this account. And your security deposit is the limit of that card, okay? Now, when you have a secure credit card, it's the same as a credit card company, but you should also pay the minimum, pay it on time each and every month. I always say if you pay on time, you're late. So always pay early, okay? Now, number 6, keep some of the credit available. Do not max out your credit cards, okay? How much your available credit you should keep on your card. This is very important since keeping your credit utilizations below about 30% can show you your manage your credit responsible and not overspend, okay? Now, I would say the sweet spot is 10%, but if you can do 30, that's awesome, okay? Now, stay on top of your progress. It's number 7, okay? As you work and build your credit score, consider getting a credit monitoring service like Smart Credit, okay? I'll put it in the link down below. They have an awesome credit monitoring service that you can actually get, okay? And also you need to make sure that you get the one that is for FICA scoring, okay? Because you want the information that the mortgage and the car dealers are getting, not anybody else's, okay? You want the valid information, true information, okay? Now, these are the 7 ways that will help you build your credit report, okay? So don't wait. Bonus round. Okay, you guys, what's up? Okay, for the bonus for today is get you a podcast. If you have the information that you need to go ahead and get you a podcast. And also, you need to get your personal credit right so you can get that business credit, okay? Because of the fact that if your personal credit is good, a 750 or higher, you can do a personal guarantee exactly to actually get business credit instead of you going through the process of building business credit, okay? I'll do that on another video, exactly what's a personal guarantee, okay? So, my name is Renata. Oh, and also, don't forget to join us on our Facebook as well as listen to us on our podcast, okay? And it is Credit Wealth Capital, okay? Now, my name is Renata. This is Credit Wealth Capital. Be you, be true, and let's keep moving forward. And I'll see you on the next episode. All right.